buddy just got a Supra. We got his house riding pitters. Let's get going.
DJ's Garage,
YT. Whoa. What do we have here?
It's my 2020 A90 Supra.
It's my buddy DJ from DJ's Garage.
DJ's Garage.
So, I'm back on YouTube. We haven't been uploading for a while. For a while I got demonetized. I don't know why, it's the government, but we're back and my buddy just picked up a new build. So we're at his house hooning around on little pitters. Show us what you got, buddy.
All right, so here she is, 2020 A90 Supra. No keys, no start. Took a gamble on her. Guess what? Popped the hood, super light damage.
It's got the Pure 800 turbo.
Pure 800 turbo, AMS intake. You got a catless downpipe. FTP Motorsports charge pipes.
Charge pipe.
Then we got a full active auto works muffler under, exhaust.
Heck yeah.
And,
so did you get her to start or is it a blown motor right now?
no, currently it is a start with massive lifter knock.
Oh no.
Allegedly.
Man.
But
so what did you get it for? $4,000?
$4,000 off the auction.
Man.
After fees, $4,500 delivered to my house.
Was the delivery more than the purchase of the car, bro?
It was.
Dude, I'm telling you, this guy gets all the deals. I don't know how do you even do that, dude? He just bids on every single car, man.
Company that actually blocks the sites the minute.
He has the VPNs, man, I'm telling you. But
not to mention, we do have some Toyo R888s on the rear, 295, 35, 19. So these are the meats that you're looking for. They will get you to point A to point B, but if it's raining, you won't get to point C. Other than that,
hey, I'm gonna ask you real quick. What is this, dude?
this is actually what comes out of a blown motor. This is my cylinder 3.
Man, I'm gonna throw in the clip.
Good morning, wake up.
I don't know what that was, but it's got the full exhaust all the way back.
Yes, sir.
How do y'all like my shirt, guys? I'm gonna release it. This is a test sample, selling it for $10. Link in bio.
And you know your boyfriend's car runs on 87, because if he ain't complaining about gas prices, then you know he's a baller. But if
right.
he is, and he's pumping 87, you better watch out, because that ain't a boy.
Watch out. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Again on the train.
That's a tall bull right there. My boy RFS. This is my boy Ruben from RFS Towing. He delivered the thing all the way from Texas for $300. He hooking up my boy. How much you spend on gas? Was it 400?
Closer to like 550.
Man, you throwing the good deals. You being a supporter.
We out, baby.
Oh, dude, it's got the good modules. Yo, all you gotta do is put a little bit of epoxy on top and you got a brand new headlight.
JP welded some plexiglass here.
Dang.
What the heck is RFS Towing doing out there?
But on a real note, guys, I'm back on YouTube, so subscribe down below. This is my buddy Danny from DJ's Garage. So link in bio, follow us both on Instagram. Also, let me know if y'all want to see more of the Supra on the channel. I guess he's keeping us a little daily, so it's gonna be
Actually, a drift build soon.
drift build. Let me know in the comments, and you'll take it home with you.
Right now.
Go pick up a load from Cali for me for $250.
That's a little high. I think I could do a discount on you.
Hit up my boy's phone number's on the screen. All right, so
Who
this
that
is
is?
who that? Hey, Sean, come here.
My neighbor.
I was kidding.
All right, Roscoe. So you got the new truck. You just deleted it and put a block lift on it.
Yes, sir.
Let me see how that exhaust system looks. Oh, it's straight all the way back. No. What'd you do? EGR delete? And def?
Just delete. I deleted the truck.
Roscoe's doing frame.
Okay.
Homie got the gap. He's pulling up. Oh boy. About to be going to the speed factory.
We're just here. Is it open?
Do a little go-kart session.
Better be open.
Yeah, the doors are opened. We're going karting, boys. Alright, boy, we got the track to ourselves.
Dude, we do have the track to ourselves.
We just rented out the area, boys. Making big YouTube money after I got monetized again. Game over.
They believe in us.
Yeah.
Ah, dude.
Garrett Beats. Garrett Beats.
Where am I at? Came 13th in today. 21.5. Homie's a regular, man. He good. Some crazy time. He's doing pretty good. Man, let's go. We got one more race. See who takes it. Yo,
I had somebody put in like $20 on that.
that's the funniest thing, man. Get the fastest car for 5. Get your friend the slowest car for 2. You're getting the slowest car, Roscoe.
Me?
I'm paying the $2.
I'd do it. Wait, that's okay. I'll go.
All right, boys.
Right in their parking lot.
I took the dub for this one. Y'all already know.
Oh, dude.
Wait,
Wait a
what?
second. Something ain't right.
Wait, I took the dub. Obviously, because it's your boy. All right, me and Roscoe pulled up to Dodge General getting some snacks for the football game. What are we getting? We gonna be eating good, right?
Yo, we only eat good. Man.
All right, got the ice cream, got the chips. Me and Roscoe gonna be eating good tonight. Hopping in the old Cummins turbo diesel. Oh yeah, football gonna be good. Let's see.
There's just somebody coming.
Oh, is it? Oh, perfect.